It's the miraculous survival caught on camera. Watch closely. The white pickup truck completely separates, going under the SUV and seeing it flying into the air, crashing down upside down, leaving an extraordinary debris in its wake. That tire even comes back, hitting the SUV again. Incredibly, police say the driver of that SUV suffered only minor injuries. The incident happening Thursday on State Route 118 in LA. Officials say sheared off lug nuts apparently led to the tire's detachment.
The driver behind the wheel is 22-year-old Catherine Long. In this first video, you see her make a U-turn on the westbound side and then begin traveling the wrong way. She continued in that direction for the next 11 miles.
There's somebody driving on the northbound side going about 100 miles an hour.
Troopers who had stopped a suspected drunk driver on the turnpike were told a wrong-way driver was approaching them. In the next video, Long narrowly misses two cars, then the moment she slams head-on into another car. You then see troopers in the left-hand corner rushing to the scene to try and check on both drunk and the driver in the car she hit. 53-year-old Joseph Wallace died.
Sent a car flying. It happened Saturday in Eau Claire. In the slowdown recording, a car crossed a grass median and slammed into another car that was waiting at a stoplight. Both cars flipped into a parking lot. Police say that the driver was drunk at 9:30 in the morning. Somehow, no one was seriously hurt.
Everybody okay? Lord have mercy.
Someone please don't call 911.